Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to change control settings in Need for Speed No Limits. To change control settings in Need for Speed No Limits, first of all, open up the game on your device. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From this menu, tap on Option. From the game options, tap on Control. And then you will see different control options such as tilt, touch, or virtual steering. Choose the control method you prefer by tapping on it. After you do that, you can now get back to the home page and start a race to test your new control setting and make sure everything feels comfortable. Now you know how to change your control settings in Need for Speed No Limit to suit your playstyle better. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.